Bismillah, we start tonight. Two hearts, one path, one light. Barakallahu Lakuma, may your home be warm and bright. Promise kept in gentle words, walking side by side in light. Barakallahu Lakuma, hold to hope through every night. Barakallahu Lakuma, bless this love in every way. Barakallahu Lakuma, guide your steps from day to day. Barakallahu Lakuma, keep your hearts from going astray. Barakallahu Lakuma, let your joys and sorrows pray. Barakallahu Lakuma, let your kindness crown your home. Share the bread and share the smile, never let the other roam. Barakallahu Lakuma, lift each other when you're down. Barakallahu Lakuma, truth and trust are what you choose. Speak with care and act with grace, win together, never lose. Barakallahu Lakuma, bless this love in every way. Barakallahu Lakuma, guide your steps from day to day. Barakallahu Lakuma, keep your hearts from going astray. Barakallahu Lakuma, let your joys and sorrows pray. Barakallahu Lakuma, if the clouds bring gentle rain, stand as one and breathe as one. Light returns and eases pain. Barakallahu Lakuma, after night, the dawn again. One path, one heart, soft words, new start. Hold fast, be true. I for you and you for you. One path, one heart, soft words, new start. Hold fast, be true. I for you and you for you. Barakallahu Lakuma, bless this love in every way. Barakallahu Lakuma, guide your steps from day to day. Barakallahu Lakuma, keep your hearts from going astray. Barakallahu Lakuma, let your joys and sorrows pray.